Smith Family Vids.
Hello, Levi. Today we're going to be demonstrating the Smith Tiny Cup Hiccup Cure. So let's go in here and you can show me the tiny cup. This is what we will be using
The K-cup,
for the hiccup cure. Okay, and then let's demonstrate. So this is a guaranteed hiccup cure that you can use that not very many people seem to know about. So we're spreading the word. All right, show me how full you got that. All the way to the top, right? All the way to the brim. All right, and then show me the technique. Good. And then again. And again. That's good. One more time. No, fill it up one more time. One more demonstration.
Easy.
And then your hiccups are gone, right?
Yeah!
Are your hiccups gone?
Yeah!
Did you have the hiccups?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Oh, don't tell them that.
Okay, bye.
Bye.